What's going on, YouTube? It's Bushy's mama, and I'm back in the bird's nest. This is video 8 of his bird's nest concert, and I am glad to be back. So we went on vacation and had a couple days to settle back in. We had a great time. The weather was perfect, and you know the weather's not bad here either. So I hope it's good where you are, but let's head on.
接下来又到了我们的感谢环节。
Yeah. Is this right?
先感谢我们的公司天娱传媒，感谢我们的主办方亚美娱乐，感谢超哥。这5年来都是超哥在付出了很多，也帮了我很多。然后，我第1年想开演唱会也是他帮我完成的。 而我想在鸟巢开演唱会，也是他帮我完成的。听说他们跟你听说他跟你们的感情也很好啊，嘴巴打架了。什么？看过来啊！这里的表演很精彩，不要假装不理不睬。感谢我们的荣誉冠名三星电子，再帮我谢谢他们送我一 VR。不过他们 VR 做的真的很厉害的，我真的查了，在世界已经是1流的了，我真的觉得很意外。然后我当时觉得哇，三星没想到手机做那么厉害 ，VR 也这么厉害。
This guy knows how to give a commercial, doesn't he? Just lay back and, you know, no pressure here, but they are the best.
感谢我们所有为本次鸟巢演唱会付出的工作人员。感谢公安，感谢文化，消防。 鸟巢等职能部门对演唱会的大力支持。
He gave them special emphasis by standing up. Grace, what do I want to say? Honor, special honor by standing up.
感谢，
They're thanking him. That's so sweet.
也谢谢你们这5年来还在我的国。
My kingdom.
接下来这首歌是我最期待的一首歌，是我专门为演唱会写的歌，是我出道以来我发的第一首歌，也是我自己亲自写的，唯一的一首不仅仅是作曲还作词的歌。
Oh gosh.
虽然只有1句歌词。
Yeah, and there's only one line.
你们只能夸我，快夸我。
He's got such a good sense of humor.
我当然很棒啊，我知道啊。那我昨天已经听了你们唱了一次，从我这个视角看，真的非常的震撼。你们也非常的美。今天有很多新来的朋友，让我好好的看看你们。
And I'd like to say that through these videos, the party still continues today. And I know it's from several people who compile their videos together. And I want to thank them very much that we can still be part of the party. Even I know the lyrics to this song. Okay, here's a challenge for you guys. So when he's singing this, I'm in my head singing Why Nobody Fights, and I'm starting to contemplate, what would you say is the reason nobody fights or nobody would fight? So fill in the blank to this song. It means different things to different people, and I know in my head, I know what I'm thinking why nobody fights. And if you don't mind, well, in a perfect world, in my head, nobody fights and why that is. But how about in your head? Try and fill in those blanks for me. That is very cool cinematography right there, right? You know, he is with this colorful instrument, and then he's black and white, but everybody else kind of blurry black and white. That is a very cool picture with their lights. Almost looks photoshopped. It's got to be photoshopped. Oh, is that a big screen in the back? Wait, so is that a big screen in the back? That's why he said, let me get a good look at you? I bet that's it. I'm confused. I'm so confused. Hold on, just please bear with me. I'm like, what is going on here? So we go from here. Wait a minute. What? I'm so confused. Okay. So you don't really see anybody, well, until right there. Is he sit? He must be, right? He's sitting in front of a big screen, and that's showing. Okay. So that looks like it could be the audience. No, no, no. Sometimes I'm just too much in my head about the song that I'm just, and then all of a sudden it dawns on me, that's a scream. I'm a little slow. I mean, I love hearing this a lot too, but I'm trying to get, back to watching you. Wow, that's cool. 3 screens. All right, here we go again. Maybe. Oh, we're right in choosing you. Yep. Oh wait, let's go back and hear the drum.
从小就耳濡目染，什么当唱歌棍棒我都耍得有模有样，什么配曲最喜欢，双截棍儿重重带钢小曲，跟着从小学校练个木头。怎么改？呼吸不那心自在，怎么改？怎么改？气沉丹田小心开。怎么改？怎么改？人生千里细沙袋，怎么改？怎么改？我打开任督二脉。怎么改？怎么改？东亚病夫的障碍，怎么改？怎么改？你被我一脚踢开。爱跟我是用双截。习武之人，切记人周题。我爱跟我是用双截棍，是谁在云海际滚上水起？习惯从小就耳濡目染，什么当唱歌棍棒我都耍得有模有样，什么兵器最喜欢，双截棍儿重重带钢小曲，跟着嵩山学少林跟武藏。怎么改？怎么改？呼吸吐纳心自在，怎么改？怎么改？气沉丹田手心开。怎么改？怎么改？人生千里细沙袋，怎么改？怎么改？我打开任督二脉。怎么改？怎么改？东亚病夫的障碍，怎么改？怎么改？你被我一脚。
I'm sorry, Sick Man of Asia, what?
怎么改？我打开任督二脉。
Is it a song?
怎么改？怎么改？
Doing what?
东
Doing
亚病
what?
夫的障。
The Sing of Sick Man of Asia. I keep saying that. I have no idea what that means.
怎么改？怎么改？你被我一脚踢开。
Okay, what is Quinn? This. If I have Kinagong. Okay, just wondering. Fun song.
今天晚上玩的嗨吗？
Yep.
我也很嗨啊！我非常珍惜每一年开演唱会的机会，因为只有在演唱会上面，我才可以最释放自己。因为怎么说呢？因为我觉得在演唱会的舞台上，所有人都是冲着华晨宇来的。那我觉得只有在这样一个舞台，才会让你们都更加的自由。接下来这首歌是我每年演唱会都会演唱的一首歌，我每一次都会把这首歌放在我演唱会的最后一首。
I don't think this. Oh, please don't be the last song. Don't go.
从快男的时候就看我的朋友们知道，我是一个我非常的喜欢，甚至很爱张国荣。我爱的不只是
Wait a minute. What? They put that too fast. Hong Kong singer and actor. He is considered one of the founding fathers of canto pop for achieving huge success in both his films and career. Canto pop. Like Cantonese pop. Canto pop. And Leslie Cheung. Well, gonna have to check into that, huh? Well, let me see here. I'm going to have to stop here, and I can't go till the end of the concert, and if I do it, then the last bit will be almost nothing, or maybe chopped up the song. So I'm going to stop here, and tomorrow, I promise, tomorrow we will finish this song. So, how's it going for you guys? So, answer my question, finish that statement. What kind of thing would have to happen why nobody fights in your head? Because I know what it is in my head. So until next time, YouTube, we'll visit our last visit to the bird's nest of this year anyway. And so I guess he'll have another bird's nest maybe. And until next time, YouTube, smile like you mean it from the Bushy fam.